Hey guys, Mike with DBS. Just checking in on a job that we're doing here in Pleasant Valley. It's a kitchen job, and today we're starting with working on a load-bearing wall that we're going to be taking out. So we have all our zip walls up. It's taped up to the ceiling to contain the dust. We have our build clean going just to keep all the dust out, circulating outside. And we have the wall that has a lot of electrical and plumbing. We have to work on that. This way we can open it up. We have temporary walls going in to support the load. And then we have our beam that should be going in either later today or tomorrow. So we're all set up for this nice kitchen renovation to open up the floor plan, which is popular these days just to get more room. So we'll keep you posted with what's going on, but this is day one and we're just getting all set for our prep and demo stage.